Hello everyone, welcome back to the Future Internet Cafe. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to file your annual returns. It's very important for you to file your returns so that you can be tax compliant. And this is the best time because KRA is giving you an amnesty certificate. This is where they forgive you your penalties for your previous accrued debts with them. So if you file your returns this year before the end of June, which is the deadline for the amnesty, you're going to receive an amnesty, that is forgiveness for your penalties of accrued debts with KRA. So let's get started. So go to your browser, search for iTax. In this case, I'm using Google and Chrome. Click on iTax as you can see on your screen. The iTax KRA page is going to open. Enter your KRA PIN where they have said enter PIN/user ID. Your KRA PIN is the one that begins with A00 or A01. Click on continue. Okay, enter your iTax password and also fill in the security stamp. The security stamp is a simple mathematical problem. So if you don't remember your KRA PIN, please click the video in the description. It shows you how to recover your KRA PIN. Alternatively, if you have forgotten your password, click the video in the link. It's in the description. Sorry, it's going to show you how to recover your KRA PIN password. But in order for you to recover both, you need to have access to the email that you registered it with. If not, just recover your KRA PIN. Watch the video in the description. It's going to show you how to do that. So once you've entered your password and the security stamp, click on login. If you see such a prompt, read the KRA data privacy statement and cookies policy. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkbox I understand and then click on submit. So this is how your iTax profile looks like. Make sure it's your profile. Click on returns. Click on file near return. Choose your tax obligation. In this case, it's income tax, resident, individual. Click on next. Choose the return period from. Okay, if you are filing your NIL returns or your NIL returns for the first time, you are going to choose the return period from. For instance, if you took your KRA PIN last year in the month of Feb, for instance, maybe date 2 February 2023, so in the return period from, it will be from 02/02/2023, assuming you took your KRA PIN on the 2nd of February 2023. If it was maybe on 15th July 2023, the return period from will be from 15/07/2023. So it's very important you enter the correct date. Okay, if it's not your first time filing your returns, the period from and the period to will automatically populate. So once you're satisfied, click on submit. It's going to ask you if you are sure. Read the prompt, what it says. If you're okay with it, click on OK. And congratulations, you have effectively filed your annual returns for the year 2023. So download your returns receipt and keep it for safekeeping, or keep a file for yourself, a copy for yourself. So this is how your e-return acknowledgement receipt for your annual returns looks like. You can print a copy or save a copy on your drive. Remember that at the beginning of this video, I told you that KRA is giving you an amnesty certificate for all your penalties accrued with them until 2022. So once you have filed your returns, you are going to receive the amnesty certificate for all the penalties you have accrued previously with KRA. Assuming it has been 4 years, 5 years, they are going to send you a certificate for every single year. So again, make sure you have access to your email. If you are able to file any returns, of course, you have access to your email. So go to your email and you will see an email from KRA admin iTax with your tax amnesty certificate attached. Open your email. And as you can see on your screen, for the purpose of this tutorial, The individual was awarded with an amnesty certificate dated that date. Download it. Congratulations! Not only have you successfully filed your annual returns, you have also received an amnesty certificate for all your accrued debts with KRA. So if this video helped you, please give it a like, share with a friend, help someone. Make sure you file your returns, be tax compliant, and the deadline for filing returns is the end of every June every year, the end of the month of June every year. So make sure you do this before the end of June, which is also the deadline for amnesty certificate. It's very important. If you have any debts, be tax compliant and make sure you have been forgiven. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, share, give it a like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If there's anything you'd like us to cover also, let us know in the comment section. I've been your host, Catherine. Until next time, bye bye.